What's up everyone, it's Winstonee coming back to you guys with the curly hair routine for the new year. The first thing I'll be doing, of course, is shampooing and conditioning my hair. I'll be conditioning my hair today with Aunt Jackie's Coconut Milk Conditioning Cleanser. Even though this has the word conditioning in it, it is still a shampoo. And I'll be conditioning my hair with Aunt Jackie's Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. After I wash my hair while my hair is damp, I'll be applying Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask, which is a deep conditioner that I'll leave in my hair for about 30 minutes. I'll first start off by sectioning my hair in 4 sections to make the applying process easier. Then I'll apply a generous amount of the conditioning mask one section at a time. Once I have the mask in my hair, I'll put a shower cap on my head and apply heat to it for about 30 minutes using a blow dryer, giving the conditioner time to moisturize my hair follicles and scalp. You can get the same results from using a heated cap. It's also a good idea to deep condition your hair if your hair is really rough. It makes your hair super soft and easier to comb. After 30 minutes and washing the mask out of my hair, I'll be applying Aunt Jackie's Defining Curl Whip. As you can see, all the products that I'm using in my hair is by the Aunt Jackie brand. This video is not sponsored in any way. I was just trying out their hair care line and the products seem to work for my curls. I'll be putting the cream in my hair while also spraying a little water in it to dilute the cream. One thing about curl creams that I'm not a fan of is that sometimes they leave your hair stiff after you've applied it and your hair has dried. The water helps to prevent that. Now I'll just leave my hair and let it air dry, which takes, honestly, with the curl cream in my hair, 1 to 2 hours. You can speed the process up by blow drying your hair, but that'll also make your curls tighter. Air dry equals looser curls, heat dry equals tighter curls. This is how it looks after the curls have dried. The curls aren't stiff thanks to me using water while using the curl cream. You can do this routine every day except the deep conditioning part, which should be done once a week. If you guys like the way my curls came out, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. Check the description box to see if you're a winner of my holiday giveaway. I'll be doing another giveaway sometime next month on this channel, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys next week for a brand new video.